Rewriting expression. Of course, this is a brief explanation for rewriting expressions. And rewriting expression could include factorization, could include expand, adding fractions, or simplify fractions. Let's start with the factors of difference of two squares. This is called difference of two squares. A square minus b square. We open two brackets. One of them is positive, the other is negative. A square is a multiplied by a, and b square is b multiplied by b. For example, x squared minus 9. It's equal to x minus 3 and x plus 3. Number 2, how I can expand the bracket to the power of 2. How to expand the bracket to the power of 2 gives me 3 terms. Last sign is always positive. And since this sign is positive, so this sign is positive. Now, a multiplied by itself is a square. B multiplied by itself is b square. And the middle term is a multiplied by b multiplied by 2. So it's 2ab. Expression number 3. What if I multiplied a fraction up and down by negative 1? We all know that negative a multiply negative 1 is a. In case of you wanted to multiply negative a by a difference between two values, you don't have to write it as negative b plus c. All what you have to do is just flip the value of the numbers. So instead of writing a over negative b over c, write it a over c minus b. That's it, without writing the method or the step in the middle. Number 4. If a is equal x over b plus x, and you wanted to rewrite it in x, this one will take a lot of steps. Because first, you need to write a over b plus x, and you cross multiply it. So a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by x is ax is equal to x. By moving this x to this side, or you can choose to move ax to the other side. So ab is equal x minus ax. Then you are taking x as a highest common factor. Then you are going to divide both terms by 1 minus a. So it's ab over 1 minus a. So this one a little bit difficult. Finally, if you have a fraction divided by a fraction, the easiest method to write it is to multiply the top numerator with the denominator up, and in the denominator you multiply b and c. For example, 2 over 3 divided 4 over 5. So I multiply 2 by 5 up, which is equal to 10, and 3 by 4 here, which is equal to 12. Later, you can divide it up and down by 2 to simplify this fraction. It gives you 5 over 6.